returns or calls me home.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Sorry to crash your rehearsal, but we need to get personal with you.
You can edit, right? I mean, I must look at the camera, I must look at you. Look at the end, you said, right? Okay,
You're talking to me.
good. Sorry, good. Go now.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so you're Carl Lee Scharschmidt, right? I know you as Lee.
Yeah.
Right? What does the world know you as?
The world knows me as Carl and Lee and Carly Scharschmidt. So, and all Bubba too. So, at Moorlands Camp, anybody from Moorlands calls me Bubba. So I always know where I know people from. So if you're from Moorlands, they know me as Bubba. If they're from church or close family friends or family, everybody says Lee. Anywhere else for school and so on is Carl. So
okay, so Carl is the professional.
Carl, yeah, the professional.
Carl.
Yeah.
No power of hell, no scheme of man can ever pluck me from his hand till he returns or calls me home. Here in the power of Christ I stand.
How you get to be sporting with these old guys?
I am way younger than my time. I'm like,
Sorry, didn't mean to offend y'all.
I'm like at least 20 years.
At
I
least?
joke.
Wow.
No, I'm joking. I don't even know what the age gap is. But I am the youngest one in the group, and I just got invited to be in it a little after that started, and some of the members had to leave, and then they just needed a singer to replace. So here I am.
Okay, so you're of the caliber to be among
You know what?
the established gentlemen, the mature crowd.
Right? You know what? I mean, I'm honored to
That's
be a
cool.
part of them. Yeah.
That's awesome. That's awesome.